So can you remember the topic that we have seen in Unit 3? In Unit 3, we come across a slight portion of this topic. What about the connective? The connective additional marker, discourse markers topic, there you can have a small content about the cause and effect. Okay, and this will be the very easiest one. So we can define the topic by saying that a cause is create something to happen. Similarly, an effect will be the outcome of the cause. So you can connect it with that experiment what you are doing in a chemistry laboratory or somewhere else and all. So you are getting some kind of outcome in this thing that will be the step-by-step procedure of what you have done so far. Okay, so this is what the basic concept of this topic. So what is the basic concept? Cause create something to happen. Effect will be the outcome of the cause or impact of the cause, end of the cause. Whatever it is, you can connect it in such a way. So to denote these things in a sentence, we are using the expression that is called as cause and effect expressions. Okay. So those cause and effect expressions such as because, as a result, so, hence, due to, because of also you can use therefore, consequently, lead to resultant. Like that, you can have lot of phrases. This is completely different from connective. So, this will be a very small portion in connective. So, don't use those connective terms while you are writing answer for this particular topic. So, it has very limited number of the cause and effect expressions. So, what are all the expressions we have written? Because of also you can use it. Okay, because of both are separate one. Next, so consequently as a result therefore hence due to lead to resultant. Okay, so here how we are applying this particular cause and effect in a sentence. Okay, so sometimes people may ask you to identify what is the cause in a sentence and what is the effect in a sentence. So the question looks like in such a way. So you can find the two separate sentences. Yes. So this will be the one separate part and this sentence will be another separate part. You are going to connect the sentence with the suitable cause and effect expressions. Okay. And another thing is that for a single sentence you can make maximum 3 to 4 answers with the expression. So there is no need to use all the answers simultaneously. You can go with any one of the term. Okay. So for instance, even you can use as, since also along with the part of cause and effect expression. So when you are using the cause and effect expression, remove this full stop and make it as a complete sentence. Okay, without the full stop, connecting two sentences with the help of the cause and effect expression. Okay, for instance, if I am going to use the term as or since can be used only in the beginning of a sentence. As or since always comes in the first part of a sentence. Okay. Sometimes we interchange the effect in a first place, whereas the cause following that. So you can interchange both the cause and effect. So when you are addressing the cause, by the time you can use since or as along with the cause. If you are using the effect, it doesn't create any kind of a sense at all. It went wrong. Okay. So now read it. Since I worked really hard in school, what is the outcome? I graduated. Suppose நீங்க வந்து since இங்க யூஸ் பண்றீங்க. Since I graduated. It doesn't create any kind of a sense at all when you are using this portion in the second half. Okay. And another one, it was raining. There was the rainbow. So here also you can use. So here what is the cause? Not is raining. So since it was raining, there was the rainbow. Suppose you want to stress the effect first in the sense there was the rainbow because it was raining. Or else I just go with the sentence flow in the sense it was raining, so there was the rainbow. So wherever you are using the word so, there you can possibly use as a result, hence, consequently. So these are all the terms always come in the middle part of a sentence. Since and as always come in the first part of the sentence. be with the cause. If you want to use the effect first in the sense, so you have to use only the option because. So எப்ப நீங்க வந்து interchange பண்றீங்களோ by the time வந்து you have to use because or because of. It depend upon the way you understand the sentence. Okay. And this particular question can be asked in such a way also. So here you can have A and B part. Okay. So A side I just listed out the cause and B side I listed out with the effect of it. Okay. Maximum time what the people are doing in the sense not reading the question completely. So they just connect the question with the answer. So the child is hungry. What will be the correct option here? The child is hungry is a cause. So what effect will best suit with that? The child wants to eat an apple. So this will be the best part of that card. Okay. Another one, eating too much junk food.
Gaining weight.
Gaining weight will be the best part to go with this. And the power went down. The food in the refrigerator spoiled. So the alarm clock was broken.
He was late.
He was late for work, right? So people are just matching the cause with effect, but the condition is that you have to use the expression and make it as a meaningful sentence. Okay, it's not like match the cause with effect. You should read the question and make it as a meaningful expression and do underline the expression. So if the suppose effect is in the first place in the thing, don't use since or as, that doesn't create any kind of a thing at all. So what is the cause? Overall, cause create something to happen. What will be the effect? Outcome of the cause. So just remember the expressions of the cause and